This is an illustration of the use of the BatchJobs system for managing large compute tasks in R on the Channing cluster. BatchJobs mediates between R and various cluster schedulers, such as SGE. There's a certain amount of user-level configuration that we'll ignore, as we just want to illustrate the basic behaviors. We have the Cape Cod shell screen here to indicate our presence on the cluster. We can see that we have one session on spot 01. That's here, that's this R session. A fundamental component of BatchJobs management is the registry class, which is intended to manage MapReduce-like computing in R. We take a task like a genome scan, cut it up into chunks, pass chunks to available compute resources, and assemble the results when done. There's a sequence of job IDs to be traversed. In this case, it would be from 1 to 5,287. Currently, we've completed 50 jobs. Let's check that. Done, 50. And we're ready to submit some more for demonstration purposes. We use submit jobs for that purpose. So here we go. I'll submit, let's say, 20 new jobs. Submit jobs. Reg CHR17, and we're going to go from 51 to 70. Ready? There we go. Submitting 20 chunks, 20 jobs. Check our presence on the cluster once again. Notice that we went from one process, these are really requests to the scheduler, to 21. So run that there, something like that. And right now we've got one of them in, well, they're mostly in a running state, although I'm not getting statistics on most of them. It takes time for these jobs to start up, but it looks as if most of them are in the running state. We can check the status of the registry. It doesn't acknowledge that any of these submitted jobs have been started yet. We can check again. There we are. 3 have been started and are running. Check again. Now it sees that 16 new ones are running. And finally 20 new ones are running. Good. Now while these jobs proceed, we can work with the registry for other purposes. For example, we can load the results from Reg CHR17, let's say for the first 5 runs. And we have all these results on DSQTL testing. Check the status one more time, and we see that most of these jobs are complete. In fact, now they're all done. At this point, we're still cleaning up. As far as BatchJobs is concerned, the job results have been returned, but the scheduler is still cleaning up the jobs. And we can see that this is shrinking down. And now we're back to our original status, pretty much. Now we're completely back down to 1 job on the cluster.